This is a miniature do-it-yourself project making an angel tree topper for display using faux fur, jump ring, embroidery floss, paper, micro beads, and ribbon. Materials are shown and listed below in the description box. I am using a vintage angel tree topper as my inspiration for this project. I believe the figure is from the 1960s or so. There are no identifying markings indicating a maker. The feathers may be chicken. There are different blouse fabrics used, maybe a cotton, a velvet, and a textured piece for the shawl. The face and hands are painted fabric. The hair is a thin yarn. The topper is about 8.5 inches tall, but the height may be more because the back wings appear to be clipped down. There are darkened spots on the blouse and on the hands. It may be from the glue that was used back then. I am not sure if the wire on the waist is original. I think it's a support for the treetop branch. The metal ring base is sturdy with a few scratchy patches. It looks like there was a pearl headpiece on the top of the head. There's 2 pearls with a little tiny bit of wire that remains. On the left you can see my first mini version of the angel. I end up changing the face and wings later in the video. For the underskirt base support, cut 1 3/4 by 3/8 inch piece from copy paper. Wrap it around a 1/8 inch plastic stir straw form. When rolled so the paper overlaps onto the paper, glue and press. Slide it off the straw. The support cylinder should fit inside the jump ring. Set those pieces aside. For the main angel body, cut 1 3/4 inch by 1/2 inch piece of fabric. I'm using thin, ultra-soft, fluffy faux fur because it looks like the feathers from my inspiration angel piece. Next, slide the skirt support paper cylinder on the plastic straw form again. Apply glue to the lower back side of the fabric, then roll the skirt support around the fabric. Press, remove the straw form. Apply a generous amount of glue to the top inside of the fabric roll, the place above the skirt support, and then begin crimping and pressing the fabric together so that it is compressed as shown. Glue a jump ring to the bottom base. Let it dry. Next, punch 1 1/8 inch circle paper piece for the face and 2 1/16 of an inch circle paper pieces for the hands. To paint the face features, use a pin tip. I place white circles for the eye base, then a smaller black circle, followed by a smaller blue circle with a white dot on top. For the lips, I paint a pink or red heart. When the face is dry, flip over on a foam mat and gently round it with a stylus. To add the face to the main body, apply glue to the front side or the opposite seam from the fabric rolled on the cylinder base. Carefully place the face onto the glue so the curved effect from the stylus remains. To add the hair and the headpiece, choose a hairstyle. I use a simple around the face or inverted U with 2 sets of 6 strands of embroidery floss, and then a small piece in the back. First, glue around the face from one neck side to the other. Press into place, cut excess floss. Second, glue around the top middle of the head and place another set of strands around the top and press, and then cut excess. Then glue the back center, apply a strand set vertically, press and cut, trim the ends as needed. For the top headpiece, make a circle shape with silver micro beads. Glue 5 dots. Start with the front center and then place the 5 beads into the glue. For the arms and the hands, cut 1 1/2 inch long by 1/8 inch wide piece of fabric. Place a dot of glue on the back of the angel under the hairline. Center the fabric strip and bring it around to both sides, to the front. Apply a dot of glue under the sides and press. Then add dots of glue On the arm ends, place a 1/16 inch circle handpiece on either end and gently press. To make the wings, punch 2 feet pieces from copy paper. Glue the pieces where the big toe and the heels meet, leaving a gap in between as shown. Next, glue the feet feathers in between 2 pieces of sheer organdy ribbon pieces. When dry, cut excess ribbon around the edges. Then glue a thin coat of white flocking powder to the front and the back of the wings. Shake off excess and let dry. Lightly fold the wings vertically. Apply glue to the center. Press to the back of the angel about halfway down the head. When dry, fluff the fabric on the skirt and the arms. And for the vintage angel inspiration tree topper, I made several removable, non-attached pieces, including a pearly headband with ringlet corkscrew curls by wrapping and gluing embroidery floss around toothpicks, a vest with a ribbon edging, and collar with seed beads. The original collar and seed beads are underneath. I added cotton arm sleeve pieces over top the original, and a large ribbon waist ruffle, and then I added additional fluffy feathers covering the original. I hope you like and share my version of a vintage angel tree topper. Thank you so much for watching.